Crash Course on Thai Culture, an exploration of traditional and contemporary Thai culture, including art, music, theater, religion, and cuisine. Of course. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Thai culture. Thai culture is rich and diverse, drawing from centuries of tradition and modern innovation. From the intricate architecture of Buddhist temples to the vibrant colors and flavors of Thai cuisine, there is something for everyone to discover and appreciate. One of the most striking aspects of Thai culture is the prevalence of Buddhism. The majority of Thais practice Theravada Buddhism, which has a profound influence on many aspects of their daily lives, from art and music to customs and rituals. Thai art is characterized by its intricate designs and vibrant colors. Traditional Thai art forms include painting, sculpture, and architecture, with many examples on display in the temples and palaces that dot the country. Thai silk is another form of art, with its vibrant colors and patterns prized for their beauty and quality. Thai music and dance are also integral parts of the country's cultural heritage. The classical music of Thailand is known as Pipot, while the traditional dance is called Khon. Both are often performed at important ceremonies and events. Thai theater, known as Nong Yai, is a unique art form that uses intricately carved wooden puppets to tell stories from Thai folklore and mythology. It is a rare and fascinating experience to witness a Nong Yai performance. Thai cuisine is famous around the world for its bold and spicy flavors, as well as its use of fresh ingredients. Some of the most popular dishes include pad thai, green curry, and tom yum soup, but there are countless other delicious options to explore. Now, let's dive into the top 12 aspects of Thai culture. 1. Buddhism. 2. Traditional Thai art. 3. Thai silk. 4. Classical music and dance. 5. Nong Yai theater. 6. Thai cuisine. 7. Traditional festivals and holidays, such as Songkran, the Thai New Year, and Loi Krathong, the Festival of Lights. 8. Traditional Thai massage and healing practices. 9. Muay Thai, Thai boxing. 10. Thai literature, including epic poems like the Ramakien. 11. Thai architecture, including the grand palaces and temples of Bangkok. 12. Thai fashion, with its blend of traditional and modern styles. In summary, Thai culture is a fascinating blend of tradition and modernity, with influences from religion, art, music, cuisine, and much more. Whether you are exploring ancient temples or savoring the flavors of a street food market, there is always something new to discover in Thailand. And now, for a poem. Golden temples rise amidst the bustling city streets. Echoes of ancient rites whisper on the fragrant breeze. Silk and spice and art weave a tapestry of grace. Music fills the heart as dancers take the stage. From Nong Yai to Muay Thai, Thai culture thrives and blooms. A vibrant tapestry of life, with stories to enthrall and soothe. And finally, a song. Verse 1. In the land of smiles, where the sun shines bright, there's a culture rich and vibrant. A feast for all the senses, right? Chorus. From the temples to the street food, Thai culture's a delight. With music, art, and cuisine, there's always something new in sight. Verse 2. The scent of spice and silk drifts on the Bangkok breeze, as the beat of Pipot music calls us to our feet. Chorus. From the temples to the street food, Thai culture's a delight. With music, art, and cuisine, there's always something new in sight. Bridge. Come explore this wondrous land, where ancient meets modern day, with a culture rich and great. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Thailand has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Thailand, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. And Hub Metaverse team.